In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can manually prepare a document in Lawmatics without using an automation to have it sent to you. And I'm not talking about documents that are sent for signature to clients. I'm talking about internal documents used for drafting or letters that you want to send to clients using the merge fields from the matter. So if you're an Efficient Esquire firm, you probably will have a form in your account to prepare whatever document it is that you're trying to prepare. So in this example, we're going to start from the matter profile page. First thing I'm going to do is come down to Form Actions and click Open Form. Next, I'm going to look for the form that's used to prepare that document. Select the form and then click Open. On this form, we want to make sure we have all of the fields filled out so that all of the fields merge in to the document how it's intended. So here, once we've confirmed all of these fields, we can go ahead and submit this form. After you submit the form, what you'll do is navigate to the Documents page. So how you get to the Documents page is by hovering over Assets and then clicking on Documents. Next, you'll find the document that you want to prepare. So here you can see that we have our example docx letter, and what I'm going to do is click the preview icon. After, you'll see that we have our document loaded in here with the merge fields that are going to merge into this document that we want to prepare. Next, we're going to click Preview by Matter. After you select the matter under Preview by Matter, you'll see all of the fields merge into the document. So now I'm able to come and click Download as docx if I want to download it as a Word document, or download or print here to download it as a PDF. After you've downloaded the document, you can open it and you'll see here that we're able to edit the document and all of the fields have merged in from the matter in Lawmatics.